In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove audio from Clipchamp. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to import your video into here. So it says your media. Then you want to click and drag it into your timeline. So you can see I've got this video here. And you can see from this little icon here, it's showing that I have audio. Now, one way that people would do it is they would click this button here and it'll mute the audio. But this is not the best way to do it. What you want to do, click on it, right click, go to audio and go to detach. What this is going to do, this is going to detach the audio and the visual tracks from each other so that you can edit them separately. Now, at the moment they move separately like this, so they're not going to move together. If you want to remove the audio track altogether, you can just hit delete and boom, your audio track is gone. But if you want to cut certain parts of the audio, I'd recommend clicking these together. So click one, shift, click the other, right click and group them. Now that they're grouped, they will move together as one. So what you can do from here is if I want to split it here, I can right click, split, and I can split here. I can delete this portion here, and I can now like click and drag it, and they're going to move in time together so that I can just cut portions of the video out. How to set up like that. And that's how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.